Today, I'm going to be going over some options to easily add audio effects to some of your projects, whether it's triggering audio using motion sensors,
You haven't seen my body, have you?
adding sounds to 3D prints, or adding sounds to props or toys. While this is definitely not all the options out there, I'm going to be showing 4 useful products ranging from easy to complicated to add audio effects to your projects. But there's too much to go over here, so come check out our full video on our YouTube channel.